We're here at Xtreme fishing here. I have my friend Jeff here that came here, come with us for the first time. I believe, have you been to the Amazon before?
It's first time.
First time to the Amazon? Okay. He came down to the Amazon here. I have a funny story with him. He's never used to BaitCaster, always used spinning reels. And I teach him like in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. He says it's impossible. So tell us the story.
Just like you said, he taught me how to use a BaitCaster, and for the whole trip that I was here, I never used a spinning reel at all. I used the BaitCaster, and I got very comfortable with it. Hit a few trees, but I got pretty good at untangling the backlashes, and got very comfortable using the BaitCaster. So yeah.
How about the guys working with you, the guides, the monitors?
The guides were awesome, but I can't say enough about them. Their knowledge of the Amazon, first of all, the way they took care of us, kind, courteous, experienced. I was amazed at how well their fishing knowledge. It was a blast, absolute blast.
Okay. Now tell us a little bit about the accommodations here, the experience, the tackle we offer you guys. First, tell us about the experience and the food here, accommodation. How was that?
Top notch, absolutely. The staff here, very friendly, very take care of it. That's what they did. They just took care of us. You didn't have to do anything. Anything you wanted, they were right there to help you, serve you. Food was phenomenal. Not a bad meal on the place. Snacks, I mean, bartender, the servers, the laundry people, I mean, all 9 yards. It was top notch. Yes, very good.
You bet. Now, as far as also helping you set up the trip, programming, coming out here, planning and everything, getting all set up for you guys.
My friend told me about this trip, and I'm not a traveler at all. I don't fly, so that was one hurdle I had. So he told me about it, and I do love to fish, so I'm like, fishing in the Amazon? Are you kidding? I'm in. So we got with Marc, and we scheduled it, put our deposit down on it, and went and got all the necessary paperwork and shots, and did all that. The whole time we were doing that, talking fishing and the trips and the pictures that Marc would send us, and we couldn't wait. This was a whole year in the making. We started last year, and finally came, and so glad we did. It's for me to come over, travel from little old Texas all the way over to here. I'm glad I did it, because it was worth every bit of it.
Would you recommend our services, my services, Xtreme fishing to your friends, people out there?
Not only would I recommend it, I'm probably already planning trying to come back and do it again myself. Highly recommend it to anybody that loves to fish. It's a top-notch experience, bar none. I mean, where else in the world are you going to go and have this kind of accommodations and catch world-class fish? I mean, it was just phenomenal. It was a great experience all the way around.
Well, thank you for coming with us here, trusting us, pretty trusting Xtreme fishing, okay?
Absolutely,
and
yes.
Remember, we're booking up already for the next 3, 4, 5 years, so we'll look for a spot for you.
Yes.